Well, in the health sector, the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria, Mdcn, has said it is working out a plan with the federal government to increase the number of doctors and other healthcare workers trained in the country. Our correspondent, Shegun Falomo, filed in this report.
The Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria, Mdcn, is the body that regulates the practice of medicine, dentistry and alternative medicine in Nigeria. The move, the council said, would help the country to address the current shortfall and shortages of doctors, medical practitioners and other healthcare workers in the health sector. Mdcn's registrar, Dr. Tajuddin Sanusi, said this while addressing reporters after the induction of graduates of the College of Medicine, University of Ibadan, into the medical and dental professions. Dr. Sanusi said the Bola Tinubu's administration had demonstrated that it was ready to tackle personnel shortage in the health sector by asking the council to work towards doubling the capacity of medical students and doctors in training without compromising the standard. In their separate remarks, the Vice-Chancellor, University of Ibadan, Professor Kayode Adebowale, and Provost College of Medicine, Professor Olayinka Omigbodo, charged the inductees to uphold the name and integrity of the institution and those who have gone ahead of them doing well on the field.
We are trying our best. Are you getting me? That's why we are collaborating very well with the present ministers, so that we can actually increase the number of doctors and other healthcare workers we train with the hope, because the thing is this: if you train 10 before, out of the 10, 4 or 5 try to go out. But if you now train 4, let's say 5 go out, you have 5 remaining. If you now train 20, possibly about 7, 8 goes out, you have about 11 or 12 remaining. It will improve on the healthcare delivery system in the country.
You are well aware that the degree of the University of Ibadan is awarded for both learning and also for character. With this at the back of your mind, I encourage you to demonstrate character in all that you do and ensure that you are ethical in your professional practice. An unethical professional cannot go far.
There's always an opportunity to improve yourself through a trial. You can also improve on your relationships by leaning on a support team in trying times. You build strong relationships during trials. And finally, you can become a better person, a more relatable individual when you walk through trials and gain the experience of hard times.
At the event, no fewer than 55 professionals were inducted. Out of the figure, 31 candidates were inducted for the Bachelor of Dental Surgery (BDS) graduating class of 2023 Clinical Intake 2018, while 24 candidates were inducted for the Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery (MBBS). The event, which was attended by top management staff of the college, elders in the profession and families and friends of the inductees, held at the Paul Hendrickson Lecture Theatre.
This particular set was greatly impacted by the COVID pandemic, and they spent so long time in school, extra time for not repeating or doing anything. But I feel to an extent that has provided some leverage for them in terms of greater clinical exposure. And also I am confident that by the knowledge they've acquired and the skills also that they have, they'll put that to the best use for the society.
Keep at it. There's definitely light at the end of the tunnel, and all your effort, hard work, sleepless night is going to pay off at the end. Just keep at it, keep grinding hard, working hard, and you are going to have a smile on your face just like I have it today.
The truth is that I've never been interested in the JAPA line of action, quite all right. In fact, my colleagues have been surprised whenever they ask me, Rex, where are you going to? And I say, I'm not really interested in traveling out of the country. But notwithstanding, if I have the option of traveling outside the country, I'll take it. No one would want to leave that kind of option. But I'm not really that, because now traveling outside the country, the way I've seen it, the first few years we are struggling So imagine struggling through medical school and struggling through everything, and you go over there again. It's looking like they have shifted everything away, and you start your struggle again before you step up and everything.